When you're investing millions into your dream home, understanding exactly what you're paying for isn't just smart, it's essential. With my 30 years experience in the construction industry, this guide will walk you through basic, standard, and high-end finishes, focusing on what truly matters when building a home that reflects your success and lifestyle. In the Philippine market today, basic finish runs 30,000 to 35,000 pesos per square meter. Standard finish is 35,000 to 45,000 pesos per square meter. And high-end finish ranges from 45,000 to 65,000 pesos per square meter and beyond. For a 200 square meter home, that's the difference between 6 million and 13 million pesos in construction costs alone. Basic finish is purely functional: concrete block walls, metal roofing, simple cement on walls, single coat of paint, and basic ceramic tiles at around 45 to 150 pesos per piece, with simple fixtures, basic doors, and standard aluminum windows. This level is designed for starter homes, rental properties, or budget projects with minimal focus on looks or design details. It works and it's strong when built correctly, but it won't impress visitors. Standard finish is where most middle-income Filipino families build. Proper cement finish with smooth coating, 2 to 3 coats of quality paint from trusted local brands, better porcelain tiles at 150 to 250 pesos per piece, gypsum board ceilings, better bathroom fixtures, mahogany doors, and laminate kitchen cabinets costing about 30,000 to 80,000 pesos for a basic 3-meter setup. The key difference from basic is proper preparation and attention to finish quality. It's comfortable, looks good, and built to last for family living. However, if you're building in a high-end neighborhood, standard finish often falls short of what the area expects and what you truly want for quality, with many clients regretting this choice 5 years later. High-end finish is about building a home that matches an affluent lifestyle. Imported tiles from top European makers, natural stone or marble or granite countertops with every piece personally inspected before installation. Luxury spa-like bathrooms with fixtures from the best European brands, solid wood or premium doors with top quality imported hardware, designer lighting fixtures, and custom cabinets in solid wood or imported materials, easily costing 500,000 pesos and beyond. Beyond expensive materials, this level includes custom woodwork made for your space, excellent workmanship from skilled craftsmen, and design details like custom ceilings, special wall treatments, smart home systems, advanced air conditioning, and security features that protect your investment. This is about creating a home that shows your taste, your success, and your eye for quality. An investment in long-term value for both resale and daily living, with quality construction, making a significant difference in how homes are appreciated over the years. Basic is about pure function with minimal focus on looks. Standard achieves comfort and good appearance at a reasonable cost, but high-end is about top quality, custom design, and creating a living space that improves your daily life. When building at the high-end level, you're not just constructing a house, you're creating something you can pass down, with materials that won't need replacing in 5 years, finishes that won't show wear, and systems that work efficiently for decades. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video where the actual construction cost per square meter in 2026 will be revealed. Understanding these numbers is essential for planning your project budget.